Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Glamour. So how are you all? Hopefully all will be fit and fine. Welcome back again with another fashion related video. In this video you can see many beautiful front open hairstyles for short and long hair both. Very beautiful hairstyles with twisted hairs, with braided hairs, with pearls and with beads. You look very beautiful if you try these designs. These hairstyles for open hair, for any function, for wedding, for party wear. Even these hairstyles look more lovely with also casual dresses or party wear long gown dresses. Please don't skip the video until see till end. And if you visiting my channel for the first time, so please subscribe my channel, like my video, support me more. You can see many fashion related video on daily basis on my channel Fashion and Glamour. I carrying for you new ideas about fashion on daily basis, about dresses, about hairstyles, about mehndi designs or any fashion related. You can see also open hairs hairstyles, braided hairs with simple juda or flower juda with bow hairs. In this video you can also see the method of how you hairstyle your hair, guiding you with new hairstyles, trendy hairstyles, latest fashion. These styles look more lovely on any function. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Very beautiful hairstyles, open hairstyles, front open hairstyles, curl hairstyle, braided hairstyles you can see in this video. Please like my video. Tell me in comment section me more what about you want. Get many ideas about fashion on daily basis on my channel Fashion and Glamour. So keep in touch with Fashion and Glamour. New ideas, fashion related ideas, many beautiful hairstyles you can see in this video. Please screenshot this video and style your own hair. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing my channel. Keep in touch with Fashion and Glamour for latest and trendy updates about fashion. I hope you people will like my video. Till then next video. Allah Hafiz.